Today I'm going to show you improved Osmotic Flow coffee brewing technique in which you will get richer flavor, more body, and all that with a faster brewing time. And of course, as my previous videos, it fits for light roast and for 1:16 ratio. As always, the only thing that you need to memorize is 3 stages, and then you can use it for any dose, like 10 grams, 30 grams, 50 grams. And of course, you will need to pay attention to your pouring technique, and it will take like a few times. So what are the stages? Bloom, pulses, and continuous pour. In the bloom, we just wet the coffee. We don't watch on how much grams we pour. The goal is to shape the dome. So bloom is shape the dome and wet the coffee. In a pulses phase, we make the dome breathe. So we add the water, it inflates, and then we wait for it to deflate, at least to this level, or a little bit like this. So you make it breathe. You add water, it inflates, and then you wait, it deflates, and you do this until 1 minute 30 seconds, from 30 seconds to 1:30. And then you go with a constant pour. But this is not just a constant pour. You will make a spiral at the beginning, and this is the change, the biggest change that we have in this method. By making a spiral, you will wet all of the coffee, so you will not have floating coffee which is not brewing, and the cup will be more complex. And as for the pulses and the constant pour, we will draw a circle. Not pour in the dot, but draw a circle. So in a constant pour, you will draw a spiral and then go in circles, and in the pulses, you'll just draw circles. As for the water temperature, it's 90 degrees Celsius, and that's what I wanted to improve as well. And because we're making this spiral by wetting all of the coffee, and our brewing time is faster, and we're making it easier for water to extract the coffee, we first of all have faster brewing time, no need to increase the water temperature to make a more efficient extraction, and most importantly, you will not need smaller grind size. So you'll use like regular recipe grind size. It's like smaller than sugar, usually. By the way, this recipe is designed with Cafec Abaca Plus filters in mind. They are fast. So if you have fast filters like Abaca T90 is great. If you have slower filters, you will get a little bit less pronounced cup and probably more acidic, but you can do it with any filters. If you don't have like filter, if you have double mesh brewer, it will work as well. It will work with any type of brewer except Deep 27 because it's very slow when you do osmotic. As for the pouring speed, as always, it is slow, but now the range is a little bit higher, so you can pour within 2 grams per second and 4 grams per second, like this range. It's very slow pour, and be very gentle when pouring. Make every motion slow. That's the key. We don't need excessive agitation. So now, observe.